In this video, I'll show you how to turn water inflow on and off very quickly. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an example file, and you can find it for free in the description. And it has an inflow object as well as a domain. So let's start off by adding the inflow settings. So let's set it to flow, liquid, and then inflow. And the water is going to flow in with an initial velocity of 15 meters per second at the y-axis, which is the green axis. Okay, and then we can select the domain and then set it to domain, liquid, and then let's increase the resolution to increase the quality of the simulation. Then enable liquid, diffusion, and then mesh so that we can see the water. And then set the type to all. And then we can save before we start the bake in case something crashes. Just give it a name and save it wherever you want on your computer. And then is resumable, and then bake all. And right now you can just see a normal inflow animation. And the next step will be to make the inflow go on and off. So what we're going to do is to just keyframe the use flow value. So press I to keyframe, and then go one frame forward, and then you can press I to keyframe once again. And then let's turn it on again at the end. So enable it, and then press I to keyframe once again. And then you can select the keyframes, and then press Shift D to duplicate, and then Shift R to repeat the previous actions. So now we have the animation where the inflow turns on and off multiple times. So let's bake it once again and see what it looks like. Free all, and then bake all. And then after a few minutes of baking, you can see that the water inflow turns on and off multiple times.